Happy evening, friends, and good wishes to my students. I have just read a book. In that book, I have found some beautiful quotations given by great industrialist Sri Ratan Tata ji. And those quotations contain vision in them. Those quotations gives lot of meaning. Those quotations inspire us. Those quotations motivate us. That's why I would like to share those quotations with you. And look at the quotation. What that is, no one can destroy iron, but its own rust can. Likewise, no one can destroy a person, but his own mindset can. Look at this. So, no one can destroy iron except rust. In a similar way, no one can destroy any person. No one can spoil any person. A person can be spoiled, a person can become an antisocial, a person can become a criminal. So that is because of his own mindset. If a person becomes a nice one, if a person become a gentleman, if a person become great industrialist, if a person become a great scientist, that is because of his mindset only. As iron cannot be destroyed by anything except his own rust, in a similar way, person can become what he wants depending on his mindset. So if his mindset is not in a proper way, so his mindset is making easy money without working hard, by any means he may become a thief or he may become a criminal. If his mindset dictates him, work hard, keep a goal, think positively, achieve your goal like becoming a scientist or an officer or an industrialist, definitely you will become. So that is the first quotation I would like to take from him. The second one is, if you want to walk fast, walk alone. But if you want to walk far, walk together. How strange it is. It seems a contradiction, but not like that. What Tataji explains to us is, if you want to go alone, if you want to achieve success by yourself in a hurried way, you go fast. But if you have a clear goals in your mind, and if you want to achieve a big thing, if you want to accomplish big goals, take other people into consideration, form a team. As a team, you can go ahead. So work together as a team. That's what Tataji meant for. So another important quotation is, I admire people who get success. Naturally, everyone admires people who get success. But if that success has been achieved through too much ruthlessness, then I may admire that person, but I cannot respect him. What a wonderful quotation. If a person gets success, definitely I can admire his success and also him for getting that success. Then I look at the way he achieves that success. If that success is obtained due to his ruthlessness, I don't give respect to him. I cannot respect him, but I admire his success. If a person achieves success by exhibiting humility, by exhibiting politeness, by giving respect to others, by valuing the opinions of others, then I not only not only admire his success, but also I give respect to him. What a beautiful quotation. Another quotation, what Tataji said is, I don't believe in taking right decisions. I don't believe in taking right decision. I take decisions and then make them right. What a wonderful quotation. Generally, we use it to say, take right decision, execute it, implement it in a right way, at a right place. Like that we use it to say. What Ratan Tataji tells us, I don't believe in taking right decision. I take decision. If it is right, well and good. If it is not right, I'll make it a right. Once I have taken a decision, if it is not suitable to the existing environmental or environmental conditions or so, whatever it may be, I'll make it a right decision. What a confidence he has. What a potential energy he has. What a tremendous ability he has. He has that confidence. Yes, I have a belief that I can make a decision which may not be suitable, can be made suitable, can be made as a right decision. That's what Tataji explains us. So then next one is, so these are some of the quotations. Some other quotations are too big. So sometime we'll discuss other quotations also. And with the discussion on these few quotations, I can conclude. And Shubham Bhuyat. Namaskar.